Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dialer to open from last viewed. Okay, first of all, open dialer here and go to these three vertical dots and here click on open to last viewed. Okay, that means your dialer will always be opened from last viewed. Okay, so I click on open to last viewed. So I now go to other options in dialer, that is recent contacts, and now I close the dialer and I open the dialer again and it is open from the last I seen. Okay, that is lastly before closing I have gone to this page. Okay, that is contact, and from the contact itself it will be opening. Okay, so in this way you can easily change from open from keypad to open to last viewed. Okay, that is you can make dialer to open from the last viewed. Okay, again I am checking. Now I gone to recents. Okay, now I close the dialer. Okay, now I again open the dialer. So from the recent what I seen last before closing recent tabs. Okay, so from the recent tab itself it will open. Okay, so in this way you can easily set. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.